My name is Rohan Hall. I am an educator, a published author of business and technology books, and the CEO of code-genie.ai, a technology firm focused on emerging technologies including artificial intelligence, blockchain and cryptocurrency, edge computing, quantum computing, among others. In addition to being a startup founder, I have worked with multiple Fortune 500 companies such as Hewlett-Packard, HP, Oracle, PeopleSoft, Honda, Nevada Power, Corning, Robert Half, Avery Dennison, and Capital Group American Funds, holding various technology and leadership roles. My experience extends to technology education at both high school and university levels and business and technology education for enterprises and large consulting firms including KPMG, IBM, PeopleSoft, Deloitte, Accenture, and more. The genie is out of the bottle. Artificial intelligence has already made a significant impact on society, jobs, and careers, more than any other technology we have ever known. The course is about artificial intelligence technology, but it is not a technical course. This course is designed for professionals, entrepreneurs, and students who realize the importance of upskilling in this field to avoid being left behind. There are no exams and no need to try and memorize concepts. The course is designed with real examples and popular culture references to create a better understanding and reference points of the subject matter. The course begins by providing an overview of artificial intelligence, its history, concepts, and the fundamental principles you need to understand AI. We delve deeper into topics that give a clearer understanding of how AI works, exploring ChatGPT, DALL-E, LLMs, generative AI, and other fundamental principles. We'll discuss whether AI is more akin to the Terminator from the movies or Vision from the Marvel Universe, using practical examples in popular movies and characters to simplify concepts whenever possible. If you're a Star Trek fan, you'll enjoy learning what kind of AI Mr. Data represents during this course. Many of us are curious about our jobs, business opportunities, and the financial prospects offered by this new technology. Thus, we'll explore the opportunities in multiple industries for entrepreneurs, as well as the jobs and salaries that students and employees can anticipate from various careers in the industry. Next, we'll look at what the future holds for AI and other emerging technologies. What happens when AI starts converging with blockchain, quantum computing, neuromorphic computing, and other emerging technologies? We'll discuss the opportunities that arise and the societal concerns that accompany them. This course is essential for anyone interested in learning about AI and how to seize the multitude of opportunities it presents. This course is based on a book I wrote about AI and the top 10 emerging technologies a few years ago. It utilizes different AI technologies. For instance, generative AI was used to create some text content, complementing the material from my artificial intelligence book. Applications of natural language processing, NLP, text-to-image, text-to-video, and text-to-audio have also been employed. You may have learned about the course from AI-generated content that we use for marketing our products and services. AI was also used to index the blogs and AI content we create by Google, and we use AI to track all related metrics. For this course, I let my AI handle the narration, as you will experience throughout. Artificial intelligence is a central part of my company, code-genie.ai, and this course will introduce some of the ways we use AI to build our brand, our company, and our products. Artificial intelligence is here to stay. It's crucial to understand and embrace it, upskilling to take full advantage of the opportunities ahead, or risk being left behind. I hope you enjoy this course and, at the very least, come to understand that we're now living in a new world.